This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Candy Crush levels back. The most reliable way to restore your progress is by connecting your game to a Facebook account. This method saves your game data to the cloud, allowing you to sync it across multiple devices. Simply log into the correct Facebook account that was previously linked to your game, and your levels should reappear. This ensures your hard-earned progress, perhaps hundreds of levels, is always safe and accessible. If you didn't use Facebook, don't worry, there's another primary method. You might have saved your progress with a King account. A King account also stores your game data on their secure servers, providing a robust backup. To retrieve your saved game, simply log in with your King account credentials. This is a fantastic alternative, ensuring your progress, whether it's 50 or 500 levels, is preserved and easily recoverable. When attempting to restore your progress, always ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak signal can hinder the process. It's crucial to understand that if you've never saved your game to either a Facebook or King account, it's highly unlikely you can recover lost levels. If both primary methods fail, your next step should be to contact King Games support directly. They can offer further assistance, though prior saving is key. To prevent future data loss, consistently link your Candy Crush game to either a Facebook or King account. Make it a habit to verify that your game progress is syncing regularly by checking your account status within the game settings. This simple step, taking only a few seconds, ensures your hard-earned levels and boosters are always safe. Backing up your game guarantees your progress is secure, even if you switch devices or encounter technical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.